Yo guys, Rethink Solutions here. I just wanted to go over and show you guys my options trading strategy, how I trade every day on a daily basis, and how I stay profitable. So let's go ahead and start off with the indicators. I'm going to go ahead and tell you guys what to set up here. Go ahead and click on Edit Indicators at the top. Turn on your EMA. Set the length to 9 and add a distinct color. Turn on your VWAP. I like to keep mine on gray. And turn on your MACD and use these inputs 24, 52, and 18. And do the same thing over here. Edit indicators, 9 EMA, turn on your VWAP, and 24, 52, and 18 for your MACD. Alright, now that's how you set up the indicators. That's all you're going to be needing. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the strategy and some examples. So, take example here. Let's go ahead and start at around 11:20 here, 11:15 even on the 19th. So let's go ahead and check over here, and we're going to be looking at Tesla at the moment as well. So let's go ahead and start. So this is how I go ahead and detect when I'm going to enter a trade and see when it's a good time to enter the trade. So your 9 EMA. EMA is the exponential moving average. It's the average and trend in which the candlesticks are leading towards, whether it's going to be puts or calls. This is how you hold long percentages and just start going absolutely insane with your P&Ls. Now, I'm going to show you guys something here. Take a look at your MACD here at the bottom at 11:30, where the ball is, where my cursor is at the moment here. See where the lines intersect? Now we're going to go ahead and take a look at our 5-minute chart here for our first confirmation. We have 2 candles underneath the 9 EMA. This is going to signal that the trend is going to keep continuing down, especially when the MACD is going to be converging, which definitely makes a decision whether the direction is going to be going towards calls or puts. So this is going to be the first indicator. So we have 2 candlesticks underneath the 9 EMA, and the lines are converging. We also have another confirmation. We have more candlesticks above the VWAP, which is the base average for the day, and it continues to keep going down. So we can see this here, line break here, sections cross, 2 candles underneath the 9 EMA, as well as the VWAP, and this is a good hold here. This is a fantastic trade here, and this is tons of profit. Let's go ahead and take a look at another one here. So Tesla is usually a little more volatile, but it still works perfectly fine. Let's go ahead and take this, for example, at 9:45 here on the 17th. As you can see, market opened here. Lines weren't completely converging yet, but as you can see here, the lines here at around 9:40 here, down here, the lines are starting to get closer and closer. I'm going to zoom in a bit more so you guys can see that. And as soon as the conversions come, we have 1 bar above the 9 EMA and another bar above the VWAP as well. It's a good little hold here. It wouldn't be a fantastic play because you'd probably panic around here, 2 candles going down. But still, you guys do get the point here. With these indicators, it's very, very, very easy to detect the trend. If you want to hold these reversals here, you definitely can. It doesn't really matter. If you have more of a riskier portfolio and you're down to play that, these are definitely reliable. And as you can see, if you decided to hold that, you definitely profit some more there. So I'm going to show you guys some more examples on SPY since it's a little more consistent there. All right. Now let's go ahead and check another example I want to show you guys here. So let's take 5:18 at 15:15 for example. So our lines are converging here on the 15-minute, and let's see what it looks like on the 5-minute. So this is going to be the 18th at 15:15. So it should be around here. Boom, perfect. So as you guys can see, another perfect example here. So you guys can see down here, lines are starting to converge towards each other. The candles are above the 9 EMA, signaling calls at this moment. Same thing here. We're going to go ahead and check the 15-minute. The lines are converging at around the same time frame as well on the 15. Boom, as you guys can see, that's a line break right there at around 5:30. They're starting to converge a little closer on the 15. The 15 is not going to converge as fast as the 5-minute due to the fact that it's a longer time frame, but this is a definitely great indicator, and it lets you know when the trend is going to continue. So as you guys can see, lines crossing it down here at about 15:30, and the trend kept going up on this date here. So once again, let's go ahead and check. So 15:30 for the 18th, 1530, as you guys can see, these are just calls. The bars and candles are staying above the 9 EMA the whole time. And honestly, this is just a good ride for the finish at the end of the day. You got your lines converging here, lines converging here, and this is just a fantastic hold right here for the end of the day. And SPY isn't too volatile, so the reversals aren't too bad. You can honestly just hold and come up big percentages, and sometimes you even get big candles like this. So that's absolutely profitable strategy. Let's check right here at 11:10 for puts even. So at 11:10 on the 19th. So I think I did show you guys this, if I'm not mistaken. That's my apologies. Let's go ahead and try something else here, show a better example. Okay, right here, for example, on the 15th, we got 1335, for example. Lines are starting to converge, signaling the direction change. 1 bar underneath the 9 EMA, 2 bars underneath the 9 EMA. The lines are converging, and these you can hold puts for a little bit longer. And then the candle starts to reverse, get out around here. And yeah, guys, this is just honestly how you stay completely profitable. As you guys can see, it's fairly consistent as well with these indicators. And most indicators are honestly just bullshit, but these are extremely reliable. And I do a lot of research on these and back testing, and these honestly rarely ever fail. So let's check here on the 12th here at around 1455, 1450-ish. As you guys can see, we have 2 candles convergent above the 9 EMA here at about 15. We got our lines crossing here. And from there, it's just calls. And you can just hold this and catch the little end of the day move. And it's fairly consistent, guys. See right here, even for puts, lines crossing. This is 12 at 10:30. So let's go ahead and check on the 15-minute as well, 10:30. Boom. As you guys can see, a little bit later on the 15-minute here, the lines are starting to converge down, signaling that it was just puts for the rest of the time there. So put stopped at around 15 there. So let's see, put started at around 10:20 here, and it ended about 15. So as you guys can see, it starts to end as soon as the candles start fucking with the 9 EMA. As soon as it starts going above it, it's just going to absolutely just change direction, and that's a good signal. This is why we play the longer time frames, to have security in our trades. So yeah, guys, this has just been my trading strategy. It's extremely consistent. I highly recommend changing your bar colors as well on Webull. I'll go ahead and show you guys that. You can click the top right, go to chart settings, and I like to play white and blue. It just keeps it very simple for me. I believe green and red, like, that's just bad psychology, thinking that green means profit and red means loss, and only when you can make money off of both calls and puts. So just get out of that mindset, change your candle color. As you guys can see here, I'll show you even one more example. Let's check 510 here at around 14. We got 1 candle above the 9 EMA, which is that green line. 2 candles above the 9 EMA. So this is the 10th at 14 o'clock. So let's go on the 15-minute here and see what it looks like. So the 10th at 14 o'clock. 10th at 14 o'clock. All right, guys, let's go ahead and check here. As you guys can see, on the 15-minute, we have 1 candle here above the 9 EMA, and then 2, which confirms. And then this is honestly just a solid hold here. It starts going up, 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 up. Once it starts reversing down, you guys can either hold or get out. It's really up to you guys. Depends how risky you want to play, but most of the time it's just a quick reversal, and it continues to trend up, and you can catch a nice move every time. So as you guys can see, the MACD is extremely, extremely, extremely accurate. I do tons of research on this. Sometimes, obviously, you will be wrong, but that's less than 10% of the time, honestly. Just be patient. Wait for good times to get in, and you will be a profitable trader. These indicators are just going to help you learn to just be patient and hold longer and really grow your account with those big percentage days. So yeah, guys, this has been my strategy for options in general without news. This is just my day-to-day strategy. So it's the 9 EMA, VWAP, and MACD strategy. And thank you guys for watching. It's been Rethink Solutions. Happy trading, guys.